Okay. Hello, guys. Today our topic is about Amazon brand registry. Today we will learn how to enroll Amazon brand, how to apply for Amazon brand registry. So you need to type Amazon brand registry and click on the brand registry, and it will lead you a new page. And here you need to sign in using your Amazon account Seller Central login. Use the same email and password that you are using to log in your Amazon Seller Central account. And it's recommended to use Seller Central to do the brand history from the Seller Central, not from the child account. So I will click on brand registry. So I have logged it already, so it will showing me email and password address. So you need to do the same and sign it, and it will lead to a new page. Okay, so here is the option, enroll a brand. So you need to click on enroll a brand, and it will show you a new page. You need to click on I have a pending registry trademark. If you wanted to do you have a trademark, you can choose this option. So I am choosing this option. So now this application form is open. So I have fill out the application form already. So I'm going to that application for now, to just to show you how I have filled it. Okay, so this is my application that I have filled out already. Okay, so here you need to enter your brand name. What is your brand name? and and you need to if you're doing in the USA, you need to select the USDPO here. Okay, and you can enter here your serial number and trademark number. If your trademark is pending, you can enter serial number here. Okay, do you own the trademark? Yes, I own the trademark. Okay, upload a copy of proof of trademark ownership. You can upload trademark registration certificate and filing receipt, and filing certificate or e-filing of trademark as well. You can download this from USDPO website using the serial number, and then can upload it here. Or you can ask your attorney, whoever who filed your trademark, to provide this to you. And then you need to provide your product images. So you need to upload one or more images of your product or packaging that clearly shows your trademark name over that. So these images should be real, not computer generated. Like you need to have a product packaging of product on which the brand name must be visible, and you can place the products over the table and can hold it in hand, and then you can capture few images by your mobile phone and then upload here. So make sure the brand name should be easily readable in the pictures. Then you need to go next, and then are you a seller, a vendor for the brand you are enrolling? We are a Amazon seller, so we'll use this. We do not have a vendor. Okay, select the product categories for your product that you suits your product brand. Okay, so we are doing in baby products, so we just selected baby products. You can select more if you have more product in different categories. If you have already listed the ASIN on Amazon and doing the brand history now, you can enter your ASIN as well here. But we do not have list any ASIN, so I'm giving it as it now. Uh, but you can add ASIN if you have the ASIN for the same brand on Amazon. Enter the URL to brand if you have a website for your brands, you can enter here. It's an optional, but it's better if you have it, you can submit it. I don't have it, and I'm not submitting it by right now. Okay, if your brand is sold on other e-commerce retailer, you can enter the URL of those websites as well. Okay, so after this, next. Okay, here you need to provide manufacturing and distribution information for your brand. Okay, so which one suits my most? I have own manufacturing setup, manufacturing majority of all products under my brand, or I have an agreement with third party manufacturer which manufactures my product under my brand name. So I have chosen the first one. Okay, so I have uploaded the product purchase invoice by following the instruction. You need to follow this instruction. So make sure you follow that, which includes one or more of your product's name. Like in the invoice you need to enter your product name as well. Okay, so you can get this invoice from your supplier. If you're sourcing from Alibaba, you can ask the supplier or the factory to provide this invoice. You can upload here. Okay, so if I'm going to select this an agreement contract relationship with third party manufacturer, then I have to submit this agreement. Okay, let's say if I am selecting this, now it's asking me to upload both documents here. So in this case, I need to only submit product invoice, and this is optional, so I can go for that. Does your brand sell to distributors? No. uh, does license information, does your brand license trademarks to other who manufacture products? No, we are not giving this. So once we have filled this all the information, we can simply submit the request option. Okay, so you have successfully submitted your brand registry application. It will take a few days to respond back, and we will see what will be the and from here you can go again on the brand registry application, and then you can see here it's showing in now pending review. So that's how you can apply for your brand.